Hey, what's up everybody? Steve from Better Drug Test. Today I want to continue talking about some of the stash devices. Now, not all of my videos are going to be stash devices related, but there's so many interesting things out there in the market, and I'm really out here to share more with parents and loved ones kind of what you're up against in terms of concealment for drugs and alcohol. We've touched on a wide variety of topics so far, but this is one I came across actually on the internet that I think I ordered off of Amazon straight away. Now, again, thanks for all the comments and calling me a snitch as regular. I should just change my channel name to that. But this one I thought was really interesting. It's a brush, right? This is something you could be using sitting right on your kid's bathroom counter right now this morning. Right? They probably use it. I mean, it's an effective brush. There's nothing wrong with it. The only difference in this one is, as usual, the stash and concealment device. Now, one of the interesting things that came with this one was that it also included a little stash it bag. Gee, why would you need a little bag that kind of seals up? What would you be stashing that you would need to hide and conceal directly in this? Maybe to contain the scent of something that you might not want other people to know is being concealed. So again, not all of my videos are going to be on these stash devices, but there are so stinking many of these things that are out there that all I'm doing is encourage parents, loved ones to just take another look. If you have suspicion, what we found and what the research says is that by the time a parent or loved one suspects use, you're months and months behind. That use has already been going on for a significant amount of time. So if you have some concerns, it's okay to do another little deeper dive into your kid's room. Go through some of these things, maybe test a few of these things out, give them a quick shake. If the weight feels off, if the edges feel a little bit off, those are potentially signs that maybe that can or device has been manipulated. So again, I'm seeing lots of things that are starting to pop up in the comments from, devices behind the wall. I've seen junk drives. Where do you see some of the stuff that I've got coming on next week that I'm going to start showing as well too? We're going to start talking about some of the smoking or using devices that you might not be aware of because they are not the same shape and form as maybe they were in generations past, where it was a pipe or a bong or a razor or different things like that. There are many, many, many new techniques that are out here to use whatever drug of choice that individual may be using. I want to start talking a little bit more about that so you can be on the lookout. So thanks for your time. Please like and please share with your other parents that are out there so we can continue to kind of get the word out of what's going on. My name's Steve from betterdrugtest.com. Thanks so much for your time.